If you are facing a problem trying to sign in into your Facebook account, here are some few things you need to know and you need to do. First off, try and recover your Facebook account. The link to recover your Facebook account is in the video description, so visit the video description and then try to recover your account. Now, step 2 of resolving this issue, you go to about the Facebook and then you try first closing the app. So you first stop the app and also you move to storage and then you clear cache. You clear cache. And also step 3, try updating your app. Visit the Google Play Store and check for an update for Facebook app. If there is an update, try and update it. Just like this, try and update it. So when you update it, I'm sure your problem will be resolved. But after the update, if your problem is not resolved, try restarting the phone and log in again. So when you try all these steps and it doesn't work, drop a comment and I'll text you from there and see how I can help you. If this video was helpful, make sure you share it to a friend who is also facing the same problem. Like this video, also subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for having time to watch. Catch you up in my next upload.